Start. Hey, Happy New Year, everyone. Once again, and I hope you all are fine. And this is class 3 and 4, as well as this is batch 1. So we already shared a slide, and I think you write down completely, and I'm sharing the slide again. So this is the topic, how to do well in the examination. And, or you can say another way, how to prepare well for the examination. Every student wants to do better in the exam, but it is here, there is a problem here. You have to put it is. Eater pore is dite hobe. But it is not an easy work. A student has to do something to do better in the exam. For to do so, first he has to study regularly. তাকে regularly পড়াশোনা করতে হবে from the very beginning. এই যে এখন জানুয়ারি মাস, তাই না? So you have to start from the beginning. You have to start from this time. So from the very beginning, he should be very serious and sincere to his studies. Regular work right from the beginning will make him through. Then he should not neglect his studies. Then he should not memorize the answers without understanding. না বুঝে মুখস্থ করা যাবে না. You have to understand the topic and then you can uh, remember or memorize. Next, he should not learn answers by rote taking them from a common source. Common source থেকে এই যে আমরা গাইড বুক থেকে মুখস্থ করি, don't do this. You try to write down with your own language. After that, he should try to understand that he reads, make his own notes, and revise them frequently. Finally, he should have a fairly good command of the language. ভাষার প্রতি তোমার ভালো দখল থাকতে হবে. It may be Bangla or English, any language. Sometimes he may find unexpected questions. This he is to answer them offhand. মানে তাকে instantly answer করতে হয়. Unexpected question আছে. So যদি বানিয়ে লেখার অভ্যাস থাকে সেই ক্ষেত্রে he can do this. But it is difficult to write good answers without preparation of his language is poor. If his language is poor, যদি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজের দখলটা আসলে ভালো না হয়, poor হয়, সেই ক্ষেত্রে আসলে answer করাটা is so difficult. By doing all these things, a student can do well in the exam. Understand? Acha, Samantha done, Navamita done. So, Raghib also done, no? Acha. Those who have done your writing, but I just give you more 2 minutes. 2 মিনিটের পর আর টাইম দেওয়া যাবে না. Okay, you can take a screenshot because I have to teach more lessons. So within 2 minutes, you have to write down. Ahanab, ঠিক আছে বাবা, মানে টেনশন করতে হবে না, ইউ ক্যান টেক এ স্ক্রিনশট। 2 মিনিটে তুমি যতটুকু লিখতে পারো, ঠিক আছে? ইউ ট্রাই ইউর বেস্ট। ফাস্ট ফাস্ট লিখতে হবে, মুখে কলম দেওয়া যাবে না। আচ্ছা, দোজ হু হ্যাভ ডান ইউর রাইটিং, ইউ রিড আউট লাউডলি, আনমিউট ইউর সেলফ অ্যান্ড রিড আউট লাউডলি।
Every student wants to do
Everyone
better
wants
in
to
the exam,
better
but it is
in
not
exam,
an
but
easy
it
work. A student is to do
is what
something to better
student
do better in the exam. For to do so, first he has to
to do
study
better in the
regularly
exam
from
for
the very
the
beginning. He
for
should be
to
very
do
serious
so
and
fast
sincere
we
to his
have
studies.
to
Regular
start
work right from
from
the
the
beginning will make him
very
through.
beginning.
And he
He
should not
should
neglect his studies.
listen
And he should not
and
memorize the answers
listen.
without
He has to
understanding.
study.
Next,
This
he should not
work
learn
right from
anything
the
by rote,
beginning
not
will
taking them from a common source. After that, he should try to understand what he reads, make his own notes, and revise them frequently. Finally, he should have a fairly good command of the language. Sometimes he may find
he should
unexpected
not learn
questions.
answer
He
by
is to
rote
answer them
thinking them
offhand, but it is
from
difficult to write
after
good
that, he
answers without
should try to
preparation.
understand
His language is poor.
what
By
he
doing all these
take
things, a
his
student
out
can do well in the
revise
exam.
them thoroughly. Finally, he should have a fairly good command of the language. Sometimes he may find unexpected questions. He is to answer them offhand, but it is difficult to write good answers without preparation. If His language is poor. By doing all those things a student can do well in the exam.
Okay, great.
মানে
This is your
খাতা খাতা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না।
আচ্ছা, আনাফ সাউন্ড বন্ধ রাখতে হবে।
শুরু করো, পড়া শুরু করো জোরে জোরে। এখন পড়বে নাকি জিজ্ঞেস করো মিসকে।
দাঁড়াও মিস,
Yes, আহনাফ।
এখন পড়বো?
বলবো না মিস, উইল আই রিড নাও? বলো মিস, উইল আই রিড নাও?
মিস রিড নাও।
ওকে, রিড করবো। আমরা লেখা স্টপ করবো সবাই, যে যতটুকু লিখেছে। হাউ লং ডিড ইউ রাইট? ইউ ক্যান স্টপ রাইটিং এন্ড ইউ ক্যান স্টার্ট রিডিং। তো সবাই রিড করবো জোরে জোরে। রেডি, 1 2 স্টার্ট। সাউন্ড দিব। Every student wants to do better.
Wants to better in the exam, but a student is
জোরে পড়ো।
to do better in the exam. From the very beginning, it's very serious and sincere to study regularly. From the very beginning, there are serious and certain start regular work and write from the beginning of the night. Then he should try to understand what he reads. Later, he should not memorize stories or the pictures. Understanding this, he should not learning by answers without summary. Comment on my language. By doing all these things, a student can do well in the exam.
I use all the things a student can do
and sincere.
memory, the answer
Finish it.
memorize.
Okay, if you look at the vocabulary here, better means
He should
উত্তম।
be clear for
সবাই একটু পড়বো জোরে জোরে। better means উত্তম,
এটা
easy
পড়বো।
means সহজ, regularly means নিয়মিত ভাবে, beginning means শুরু, serious means গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, sincere means আন্তরিক, thorough means পুঙ্খানুপুঙ্খ ভাবে আর কি, নেগলেক্ট অবহেলা করা, মেমোরাইজ মুখস্থ করা, সোর্স উৎস, রিভাইজ পুনরালোচনা করা, ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি
এই দেখো এটা
কমান্ড আদেশ, আনএক্সপেক্টেড অপ্রত্যাশিত, উইদাউট ছাড়া, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ভাষা। So at your house you have to write down this spelling, this word meaning also. Okay, and now we can do another thing. So this is the CW. CW means classwork. Right now you have to give the lesson. Give the lesson this one, about this one. Like there are 4 question. এখানে 4টা question আছে এবং answer দেওয়া আছে। তোমাকে 4টা question with answer লিখতে হবে। Then without saying you have to say the question and answer. যদি আমি বাংলাতে বলি 4টা question answer নিজে লিখবে অ্যান্সার সহ। ইউ ক্যান অ্যাড ইউর অ্যান্সার, নিজের থেকে অ্যান্সার লিখতে পারো। দেন আমি স্লাইডটা বন্ধ করে দিব, তোমাকে 4টা কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার না দেখে বলতে হবে। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? So that means your task is you have to write down these 4 questions with answer. You can add your own answer, no problem. But after 5 minutes, I will stop the share and you have to say the question and answer. You know that. Whom do you like the most in your family? মানে তোমার পরিবারে তুমি আসলে কাকে বেশি পছন্দ করো? ইন মাই ফ্যামিলি আই লাইক মাই ফাদার, মাদার, ব্রাদার অর সিস্টার অর আর কাজিনস দ্য মোস্ট, এরকম আমরা বলতে পারি। অর ইউ ক্যান সে আই লাইক মাই প্যারেন্টস দ্য মোস্ট। ঠিক আছে, দ্য মোস্টটা শেষে দিবে। ইজ দেয়ার এনি গুড স্কুল ইন ইউর লোকালিটি? মানে তুমি যে এলাকায় থাকো এখানে কোনো ভালো স্কুল আছে? ইজ দেয়ার এনি গুড স্কুল ইন ইউর লোকালিটি? Yes, there are a few good schools in my locality. I personally like, বলতে পারো যে স্কুলের নাম বলতে পারো, like I personally like Foundation School এরকম। Do you have any best friend in your village? Yes, I have a best friend in my village, and his or her name is X. You can write down your best friend's name here. Do you have any problem? Yes, I have a few problems. Or you say, if you don't have any problem, then you say, no, I don't have any problem. Got it? So it's very simple. Write down the question and answer, and you have to say. প্রদীপ আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছি। প্রতীপ প্রতীপ আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
মিস, আমার যদি বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড আমার কোনো আপু হয় তাহলে কি ওটা লিখলে হবে?
Of course, no problem. You say your best friend's name. No problem. Or you can say my best friend is my mom also. আনা দ্রুত লিখবো। এই যে থিঙ্ক করছো, তারপর আমি একটু পরে স্লাইড বন্ধ করে দিব। তারপর কি করবে? দ্রুত লিখো। হ্যাঁ, লিখতে হবে। দেখো সবাই লিখছে। এভরি স্টুডেন্টস আর রাইটিং। এক হাতে আরেক হাতে প্রেস করবো হানাফ, এভাবে হাতের লেখায় স্পিড আসবে না। তুমি আরেকটু সোজা হয়ে বসবে। রাইট মানে রাইট হ্যান্ডে লিখবো এবং লেফট হ্যান্ডে আমরা কপিটাকে প্রেস করব। দেন দেন ইউ ক্যান রাইট ফাস্টার।
Miss,
ইয়েস।
Miss, do you have to write the question?
ইয়েস, you know that. This is your main task. Write down the question and answer. Both.
মিস, বাংলাটা কি লিখবো পাশে?
Speak in English. Ask me in English. How you ask in English? Nurjahan,
Miss,
Arisha.
can I write the English Bangla?
No.
No. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so I think time is over. Okay, so first Rahib, you asked to Tanisha. We just do with pair করে আমরা করবো, হ্যাঁ? So Rahib, you asked to Tanisha. নাম ধরে বলবে। Rahib. So
Yes,
you,
Miss.
okay, start.
Whom do you like the most in your family?
In my family, I like my mother the most.
Is there any good school in your locality?
Yes, there are few good schools in my locality. I personally like BF Shine College.
Good.
Do you have any best friend in your village?
Yes, I have a best friend in my village. Her name is Wajiha.
Excellent. Thank you, Rahim. Okay, carry on. Is there any question left?
Do you have any problem?
No, I don't have any problem.
Thank you. Now, Tahmid,
Thank you.
Tahmid, you asked to Arisha. Arisha কে ask করবো। Tahmid.
Whom do you like? Whom do you like most in your?
ভালো করে বলবো।
Do you like most in your family? I like my parents and my brother most in my family.
Okay. Then,
Is there good school in your locality? Yes, there is a good school in my locality.
first,
Do
Tahmid.
you have do you have any friend in your village? Yes, I have a friend in my village. Her name is Tasin. Do you have any problem? No, I don't have any problem. Thank you,
Miss
Miss Jan.
Thank you. Now, Shan, you ask to Nobumita. নবমিতাকে ask করবো। ঠিক আছে? In the meantime, যাদের হয়ে যাবে, they can do this one. এটা করে ফেলবো, okay? Don't waste the time. Okay, Shan, you can ask to Nobumita.
Whom do you like the most in your family?
In my family, I like my parents most.
Is there any good locality school in your location?
Yes, there are few good schools in my locality.
Is there Do you have any best friend in your village?
Yes, I have a best friend in my village. Her name is Rima.
Do you have any problem?
No, I don't have any problem.
Thank you, Nobumita, and thank you, Shan. Now, Protim, you ask to Rosa. Protim ask করবে রোজাকে। প্রতিম। প্রতিম নিজেকে সাউন্ড দিব। প্রতিম। আমি সাউন্ড দিতে বলেছি, সে আরো চেয়ারে আরাম করে বসছে। Hello, Pratim. I'm calling you. You have to unmute yourself. আচ্ছা, প্রতিম রেডি হতে হতে আমি রোজাকে বলবো সিনদিতকে আস্ক করার জন্য। রোজা, you ask to সিনদিত।
Whom do you like the most in your family?
না দেখে বলার চেষ্টা করবো। সিনদিত, give your answer.
In my family, I like my mother, my father, mother, brother,
না,
brother.
you have to say only one or parents এভাবে বলবো, হ্যাঁ? মানে অবলিক দেওয়া আছে, যে কোনো একটা বলবো, or you can say together parents. The most,
Like in my
সবচেয়ে বেশি
family,
পছন্দ। Okay,
my,
Rosa, next question.
my
Is there
mother,
any good school in your locality?
Cindy.
yes, yes. There is a school in my locality.
Do you have any best friend in your village?
Yes, I have a best friend.
I have a best friend and his name is, Cindy, say his name.
Name is
His name is, নামটা বলো, কারণ তোর বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ডের নামটা বলো। You forgot your best friend's name? সিন্ডির বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ডের নাম ভুলে গেছে নাকি? একটা বলে দাও, আমি তো আর ওখানে যাবো না যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি হু ইজ ইউর বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড। Okay, now Samantha, you ask to Sharin. Samantha, Sharinকে ask করবে। Thank
Who
you.
do you
Cindy আরেকটু দেখবো, ঠিক আছে? Try to read out fast and try to do this matching.
Who do you like the most in your family?
Sharin দেরি
In
কেন?
my family,
হুম।
I like my parents the most.
Are there any good school near your locality?
Yes, there are a few good schools in my locality.
In my
I
locality.
personally like BA College.
Okay.
Do you have
Do you
what?
it? Miss, do
I
I have sir?
I can't understand.
Do you have any best friends
Okay.
in your village?
Yes, I have a best friend I have a lot of best friends in my village. They are my cousins. Do you have any
Do
problem?
you have
Same question. Sharin also said, do you have a problem? Then Samantha said, no, I don't have a problem. Then Samantha, you ask Sharin. Then Sharin will say, no, I don't have any problem. No? Thank you, Sharin, and thank you, Samantha. Okay, now I want to talk with Ahanav. Why you are laughing, Ahanav? সবাই বাকিটা করে ফেলবো, please don't delay. Anyone left? I didn't ask the question and answer. Raise your hand, real hand. Ahanav, sit down. You are a good boy. I know, Ahanav, you are a smart boy. Okay. So, Ahanav, if I ask you, okay, whom do you like the most in your family?
in my family? I like my parents the most.
Very good, excellent. And is there any good school in your locality?
Yes, there are a few good schools in my locality.
Okay, do you have any best friend in your village or in your
Yes,
town?
I am best. আরে খাতাটা কেন দিলা?
আচ্ছা সরাই রাখো।
Okay, then say, give the answer.
Yes, I have a best friend in my family village and her name is Omi.
Omi is your best friend, no? Okay.
Yes.
And do you have any problem?
Yes, I have a few problems. No, I don't know have any problem.
No, you just choose one. Do you have a problem?
Yes, I have a few problems.
Okay, what's the problem?
কি?
What's the problem? You said I have a problem. So what's the problem? Your problem is my writing is so small you can't see the writing. Am I right? This is your problem?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay, Ahnaf. Thank you, Ahnaf. Great job. Anyone left? No one is left. Now, do it quickly. এই যে প্রতিম তো কথা বলছি না আমরা। Pratim, you have to unmute yourself and you can talk with me. Hello, Pratim. How are you? Okay, Pratim. Acha. Pratim, if I ask you, whom do you like the most in your family? তুমি যে পরিবারে কাকে বেশি পছন্দ করো?
বলো
বলো।
কাকে পছন্দ করো?
My father.
My father. Only father. No mother?
Yes, yes.
Okay. তাহলে I love my father very much নাকি?
Yes.
Is there any good school in your locality? তোমার locality এরিয়াতে কোনো ভালো স্কুল আছে? Yes.
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 Oh, yes. There are many schools in my locality. Say.
Yes. Yes.
Hmm. Do you have any best friend in your village?
Yes. Yes.
Say, yes, in my village there are many best friends and their name is নাম বলো কয়েকটা প্রতিম. Tell your best friend's name.
নাম বলো।
Rakib.
Rakib, then
আরো বলো।
ভুলে যাই. শান্তা. প্রতিমের best friend. আচ্ছা তারপর so best friend নিয়ে আমরা বসবো ঠিক আছে প্রতিম you also say your best friend about লিয়াকাত. Do you have any problem? তোমার কোনো সমস্যা আছে?
Yes.
Yes, I have many problems.
Yes, speak English.
I have many problems. Main problem is the network issue. Am I right? And you can do the mute and unmute also quickly. Okay, thank you, Protim. But stay after finishing the class. Class শেষে থাকবে. I will talk with your dad. আচ্ছা. Now all of you do this one. এটা একটু করবো সবাই. Column A and column B. Each word with match with phrases. Strange, think, grow, big, happy. কোনটার সাথে কোনটা যাবে আমরা দেখব. Large in size, to feel sad, to increase in size or figure, unusual or unexpected, a state of ease and calm, natural and usual, to use the brain to do something. সময় দিব 2 minutes. আনা দ্রুত করব.
Yes, I have done already.
আচ্ছা. You have to know what's the meaning of happy. এখান থেকে happy কোনটা খুঁজে বের করতে হবে. আনা বুঝতে পেরেছি? আচ্ছা. যারা আমরা একটু বেশি অ্যাডভান্স লাইক শান, তাই না? শারিন, সো তাদের কাজ হচ্ছে এগুলো দিয়ে মেক সেন্টেন্স করব যাদের দ্রুত শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে. ওকে, you can make sentence with these 5
Only
words.
column A.
Sorry?
I make sentence only column A.
Yeah, এই যে there are 5 words, এটা দিয়ে make sentence করবে. MS. MS মানে কি? Make sentence. বাট আহনাফ তোমাদের জন্য তাড়াতাড়ি দিয়েছি, দ্রুত করব. আহনাফ, don't look here and there. You just look at the screen only and do it quickly. খুঁজে বের করতে হবে হ্যাপি মিন্স কি, বিগ মিন্স কি, গ্রো মিন্স কি, থিঙ্ক মিন্স কি, স্ট্রেঞ্জ মিন্স কি. And those who have done quickly to match this, you can make sentence with these 5 words.
Miss, I have done.
মিস মিস
তুমি বলো তোমার শেষ হয়ে গেছে
মিস আমার শেষ
ইংলিশে বলো
মিস আই হ্যাভ এ ডান
I have a done না I have done not give article a এটা দেওয়া লাগবে না ঠিক আছে okay so now we can match the answer and all of you look at the screen so what did you write here strange আচ্ছা আমাকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি না আমি okay strange what did you write here strange আমরা এভাবে লিখবো a plus 4 so strange means unusual or unexpected তাই কি লিখেছি আমরা Anna, is it okay?
ইয়েস মিস
Yes, so you give the right. এভাবে একটা সুন্দর করে right দিয়ে দিল, তাই না? You check your copy. You are a teacher now. And then B to 5, 6, 7. So think means to use the brain to do something. Brain টা হচ্ছে think মানে কি? To use the brain. আমরা brain দিয়ে তো think করি, তাই না? To do something, কিছু একটা করার জন্য. That is called think means to use the brain to do something. You can explain the word. And here C plus 3, grow means to increase in size or figure, that is grow, like we are growing or you are growing. Then big means large in size. ঠিক আছে? Large in size, that is called big. And happy, a state of ease and calm. মানে একটা খুব easy, calm ভাবে থাকা, এই স্টেটেই তো happy, তাই না? We are not excited, we are not exhausted, we are not tired. That is called happy. Okay? So now I said Shan. Shan, give your answer. Tell your answer. What I think you made this make sentence. Okay. Shan, বলো কি লিখেছো?
He is very strange. Think.
Okay.
He think he is very good player in football. Grow. Children grow every day. Big. Elephant is very big. Happy. I am so happy. Done.
Thank you. I'm also so happy
Miss, I
about.
want to say,
Okay, Samantha বলো। যে লিখেছে সে বলবে।
strange. That girl is very strange. Think. I'm thinking about the exam. Grow. Warisha is growing up.
Okay.
Big. This chocolate is very big. Happy. I am so happy.
Okay, good. And then who is left? কে বলবে এখন?
Miss, I am.
আচ্ছা, say.
Strange. He is a strange man. Think. চিন্তা করা. Think. I am thinking about my annual examination. বৃদ্ধি.
First বলবো।
Big. The elephant is a big animal. Happy. I am very happy.
That's it. Okay, thank you. আচ্ছা
Miss,
Miss,
I
I am.
আচ্ছা তাহলে আমরা এখন হচ্ছে ওকে শারিন বলতে চাচ্ছি ওকে শারিন সে নাও
strange. I felt all dizzy and strange. Think. He need to think quickly. Grow. The plant growing quickly. Big. Look at the big mountain. Happy. The cat is thank you, Miss.
okay thank you আচ্ছা now we will do okay so now we have only actually 10 minutes left so we can talk about the picture এই picture নিয়ে আমরা
মিস
কথা বলবো yes
মিস ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটা আরেকবার দিন
can you share the channel again you say okay take this take a screenshot
টেক দ্য স্ক্রিনশট
নিয়েছি আমরা অল্প অল্প করে শুনবো এবং রিপিট করে শুনবো
থ্যাংক
ইউ
ইউ
ক্যান 1 মিনিট আমরা শুনবো 1 মিনিটটাই 5 বার শুনবো ঠিক আছে ওভাবে আমরা একটু ট্রাই করবো শোনার জন্য ওকে সো দ্য লাস্ট topic is you have to talk about the picture. A picture নিয়ে কথা বলতে হবে, and then we will end the class. Actually, I didn't have my lunch also. Do you believe? But I didn't take my lunch, I didn't take my snacks because I have to take the class continuously. I didn't get any time. I just get the time for salat. Okay, so now you do you have to
Yes,
talk about the picture. Yes, Samantha.
does salad mean dinner or breakfast?
Oh, salat means prayer.
Oh,
Said I didn't do my lunch. I didn't do any snacks. I just take the time for Maghrib Salat, Asr Salat, and I didn't do my Isha Salat. Okay, there's things. Okay, now talk about this picture. And if I say, well, I can see a picture. There are three girls. They are so beautiful. They're playing, and I don't know the playing game. I think they're playing with marble, and they all are wearing sandals. And uh, the first girl who is playing actually the marble with the marble, she is wearing a pink dress and also short black pants, and her hair is so silky and color is black. And she's also doing a it's one ponytail with a pink band. And another one, she is also wearing a dress is different color combination like yellow and white. And the another one is also wearing a vest. Its color is purple with white. And they are observing the game also. And behind them, we can see some plants, flowers. Uh, this is all about the picture. Okay. And actually, this is not a real picture. Someone drew this picture. So you can include this. Can you draw the picture like this? Anyone can draw this picture? No? Why?
Miss, I can draw.
আচ্ছা একটু দেখবো কে ড্র করতে পারে আমরা আগে একটু দেখি you have to draw this. Who can draw this picture? I know
Miss,
Shad.
I can't cause it's realistic drawing.
Yeah,
Miss, I can also draw.
I know Sharin can draw also. Sharin, you can show your drawing. I think Sharin is a very good artist. She can draw many things in each day. He got the vacation and he just used this time. Very good, Sharin. So I think you understand this now. One by one, you have to talk. First of all, Arisha said. Arisha bolbe, then Rahib bolbe. And all of you be ready for the presentation. আমি যখন জিজ্ঞাসা করব তখন থামবো না, এর আগে আমরা প্রিপারেশন নিব। ওকে আরিশা।
In this picture, I can see three girls who are playing some marbles. The first girl is wearing a pink dress and a short black pant, and he is wearing a blue sandal. And her hair is so silky, and her hair color is black. The next girl, her dress color is yellow and white, and she is also wearing a short pant. Its color is blue. The third girl is the third girl dress color is paste and white. She is the two girls are observing
Okay,
the
thank you Arisha, very
game.
good. You are improving Arisha, thank you. Now Rahib say. And চাইলে আমরা 5 মিনিটে লিখতে পারি. You can write down about the picture, please. We got the 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you can write down the picture. Rahib.
In this picture, I can see three girls who are playing marble. First girl is wearing a pink dress
Cindy
and short
practice করবো, মুখ ওপেন করবো, Cindy. Then
and short pant. Next girl is also wearing a yellow and white combination dress. Third girl is wearing a purple and white dress. In this picture, I can see many plants and flowers. These flowers looking very beautiful.
That's it. Thank you. Tanisha বলবো. Tanisha. After Tanisha, then Samantha. And
I
before
can
going from this class, you can write down the picture, please. সবাই আমাকে লেখাটা দেখিয়ে তারপর যাবে. Okay, Tanisha sir.
I can see a picture. In this picture, I can see three girls are playing. They are playing in a yard. I can see a girl who is playing with marble. She's wearing a pink t-shirt and black pant, and I can see another girl. She is also she is also wearing a t-shirt. The t-shirt's color is yellow and white. She's also wearing a blue pant, and another girl is wearing a white and blue color t-shirt.
Okay, thank you. Now, whose name I pronounced actually? Samantha. After Samantha, then Navumita. Same picture is very good. Ahanaf, you have to think, or you can write down the point. What thing we will say? Okay. So
In this picture, I can see three girls. They all are wearing t-shirts and short pants. The first girl is wearing a pink t-shirt and a short pant and is also wearing a sandal. She is playing with a marble. The two girls beside her are observing her that she is playing with the marble. The first girl is wearing a yellow and white combination t-shirt and wearing a short pant and also a sandal. The girl beside her is wearing a blue t-shirt, a short pant, and a sandal. There are a lot of flowers and plants behind them. The first girl in this picture who is playing with the marble has a very silky hair. Beside the two
okay,
girls.
thank you. Navumita say. Thank you. Navumita, then Tahmid.
In this picture,
করো কি বলতে হবে?
I can see three girls, and they are playing with marbles. They are all wearing sandals. The first girl was wearing a pink dress with a black short pant. The second girl was wearing a white and yellow dress with a blue pant. The third girl was wearing a blue dress. In this picture, I can see some beautiful flowers and plants too. That's all about the picture. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Now, Navumita. Navumita বললাম না মাত্র? Tahmid. After
Miss, can you
Tahmid,
repeat?
yes. After Tahmid, then হচ্ছে Rosa.
In this picture, three girls. The first girls was wear a dress. Its color wear a black short pant. And the second girl, dress was very beautiful, and its color was yellow and white, and he also blue pant. And the third girl also wear a dress.
Okay,
Its
thank
color
you.
was
Thank
blue.
you. আচ্ছা, now Sindit, try to say Sindit. আচ্ছা, রোজার আগে একটু সিন্ডিত বলবো, আমরা একটু শুনতে চাচ্ছি। সিন্ডিত। And you also stay after finishing the class. Okay, Cindy.
There are three girls and place marbles.
They are playing. Actually sentence make করতে হবে. They are playing with marbles. তারা মার্বেল দিয়ে খেলছে and they are enjoying very much. তাই না? খেলা করলে তো এনজয় করে। Then then আহানাফ আমাকে টাটা দিচ্ছে কেন আহানাফ? ইন্দিত বলো, you can explain what can you see behind them, তাদের পেছনে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
Then plants.
There are many plants, flowers, and some grasses also, and there are different leaves also, red, green, pink. Okay? And also try to describe one by one. কে কি পড়েছে, কার চুলটা কেমন আছে, এগুলো আমরা করব। ঠিক আছে, সিন্ধি?
Okay.
ওকে, বাসায় প্র্যাকটিস করবো অলমোস্ট 20 টাইমস। এটা নিয়ে বারবার বলবো। রাহি বলেছি?
Yes, miss.
শান বলবো এখন। লেখা আমাকে দেখাবে, তারপর কিন্তু লিভ নিবে। অনলি ওয়ান পেজ। শান সে নাও।
Well, I can see this picture. There are three girls and they are playing marble. So first girl I can see she is wearing pink dress and black short pant. Second girl I can see there she is wearing yellow and white dress and blue short pant. And I can see there is a third girl and she is wearing a blue dress and I can see plants, many plants, and actually this is what plant name is. Actually I can see many flowers and I don't know what is the name of flowers, no problem. There is a lot of plants and grass and I can see the
থ্যাংক
sky.
ইউ
The
রাহিম,
sky
থ্যাংক
blue
ইউ,
is
নট
very
রাহিম,
nice.
শান, ভেরি গুড, এক্সেলেন্ট ছিল। রোজা বলবো, আফটার রোজা দেন আহানাফ উইল সে।
Miss, can I leave?
Yes, you can like that, but show your copy. You didn't write down, no? আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, রোজা বলবো।
In this picture, I can see three girls. They are wearing sandals. First girl wearing a pink dress and she wearing a short black pant. She playing marble, some marbles. And second girl wearing a yellow dress and wearing a blue skirt. The third girl wearing a blue shirt. Her hair is very long. In this picture, I can see many plant and pink flowers. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Now, Shireen, say now, Shireen.
I can see a picture of a garden. There are three girls playing with marbles. There is a girl, she is wearing pink dress and black pants. Her hair is silky and her hair's color is black. She is wearing a pink band with a ponytail. Beside her, there is a girl wearing white and yellow dress. She is also wearing a blue band. Beside her, there is a girl. She is wearing blue and white colored dress. There is a big garden behind them. There are many flowers. That's all about this picture. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you. আচ্ছা, রোজা, you can leave. যারা বলেছি, রাহিব, you can leave. Then Samantha, you can leave. Tanisha,
Miss,
leave.
I want to show my copy.
Okay, show your copy. আহানাফ, say now. এবং যারা বলেছি তারা লিভ নিতে পারি, বাট আমাদের সাথে সিন্ডি থাকবে and প্রতিম থাকবে. I will talk with your guardian. So Ahanaf, please talk about the picture.
Let's talk about this picture. It is a three girls.
ইট ইজ বলবো না বাবা, দেয়ার আর কোথাও কোনো কিছু
There are
থাকলে আমরা
three
দেয়।
girls.
Please, this is my copy.
আচ্ছা
Each
ঠিক
one
আছে।
pink.
হুম।
First one is a pink dress and pant. The pant the painted girl used yellow shirt and pant. Third one blue dress. এটাই শেষ।
আর একটু বলবো,
It is a flower.
ইট ইজ এ ফ্লাওয়ার না, আমরা একটু লিঙ্ক করি। বিহাইন্ড দ্যাম, বিহাইন্ড মানে কি পেছনে, তাদের পেছনে আমরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি? বিহাইন্ড দ্যাম উই ক্যান সি মেনি প্ল্যান্টস,
Behind them
উই ক্যান সি
many
মেনি প্ল্যান্টস
many plants.
and there are many flowers as well, অনেক ফুলও দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
অনেক ফুলও দেখতে পাই।
In English there are many flowers,
Many flowers.
yes, and we can see many leaves, their color is different, like red, orange, green, deep green, light green, am I right? And also some grasses, these are so fresh, তাই না? Yes, okay,
Yes.
thank you Anna. So try করব, এই পিকচারটা নিয়ে আবার বলবো, চাইলে লিখবো, ঠিক আছে? Okay, so Anna, you can also leave now, and Cindy আমরা একটু থাকবো, প্রতিম থাকবো, ঠিক আছে? That's all
Miss,
about
আমার কপিটা আপনি চেক করেননি।
হিন্দি
yes, Anna.